15.2 pounds. Alright, I'm excited for today. Today is fried rice. I have been wanting to do a fried rice challenge for a long time now. So that's what's going down today. 12 containers. I'm gonna guess about 12 pounds of fried rice. Gonna dump them all into a giant bowl and see how fast I can eat it. Before we get to this fried rice though, I just wanna say a big thank you to Dollar Shave Club for sponsoring this video. I'm pretty sure many of you guys already know Dollar Shave Club. You know what they're all about and stuff, but for those of you who don't, Dollar Shave Club is the smarter choice when you're looking for a great shave at a great price, conveniently delivered straight to your house. When you sign up, you get in the mail, you get your mailbox boxes like this. Inside this box, I'm gonna open this, but all this fried rice is here, so I'm gonna move it to the side. Inside is whatever you ordered. I think the first time you order, you get a nice reusable handle. I'm still using mine, but thank you again. A pack of blades. This is a 4 set of their executive 6-blade razors. And I also got a brand new tube of Dr. Carver's shave butter. This stuff is great. It's really awesome to use. All right, well anyways, as part of this promotional video, if you go to dollarshaveclub.com/MattStoney right now, brand new members signing up can get this entire box. That's the Dr. Carver shave butter and the executive blade with free shipping for just $5. This is $15 worth of stuff for $5. After that, it's just a few bucks a month. There's no long-term commitment. You can order as often as you want. So if you aren't already signed up with Dollar Shave Club, go check it out today. dollarshaveclub.com/MattStoney. Cash in on this great deal. They're a great company, Dollar Shave Club. They make great products and stuff. Happy to work with them now twice. And yeah, following that link would support this video as well. So the challenge I had on the way back from the stores, I was trying to think how I was gonna make this transition from razor blades to pork fried rice. And I couldn't come up with anything, but what I did think was Dollar Shave Club is more convenient than Chinese takeout. You know, you gotta go to like the store. Like, you gotta order Chinese takeout and then go to, come on, I'm trying here, I'm trying. I totally could have done something that was so much more relatable to razor blades and shaving product, but I felt like fried rice today. So I'm doing fried rice, I don't care. That's the transition, I don't care. Let's do it. Box number 1. Wow. It wasn't easy. But that right there is 12 boxes of fried rice. Alright guys, so to reiterate, this is 12 containers, 12 pint-sized boxes of pork and vegetable fried rice. This is over 9,000 calories of char siu pork, rice, frying oil, peas, carrots, broccoli, onions, bean sprouts, carrots. I said that already. Oh shit, there's cucumbers too. There's cucumbers too. Alright, so I got my water. Got my utensils, got my fried rice, timer, ready? Let's do this. 12 pounds of fried rice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. I just don't want everything to fall out. All right, whatever, let's just do it. This is literally a mountain that is avalanching into itself. You guys don't understand. I skipped breakfast this morning. I was so hungry going into this challenge. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. This is gonna be cake. Okay, 6 minutes and 45 seconds into this. I would like to think I'm about a quarter of the way done here. Trust me, it's all an illusion. Watch this. Didn't touch it. Alright, come on, come on. just a little over 10 minutes into the challenge. About getting there. I don't know if anybody else has tried like doing like noodle challenges or things that are in bowls or stuff, but it's one of those things where it just keeps falling into itself and just doesn't end. The bowl is full once again. So much water. I can feel the rice like expanding in my belly. All this water plus all that rice. I'm like a mini rice cooker. I'm doing alright, I'm doing alright. 15 minutes and 30 seconds. I don't know if it happened in 20 minutes, but 25, 100%. Yeah, 25 minutes for sure. Come on. Oh, shit. Man. I think it's just rice. I feel like I'm in a giant castle right here. It doesn't want to go anywhere. Oh. Well, okay. That was a lot of rice. Something about rice, it just fills you up. The first like 3 minutes were bliss. I was so hungry and the rice tasted so good, and then the rice started to expand, and then I was like, oh god. Alright guys, well that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. 12 pounds plus pounds of pork and vegetable fried rice, over 9,000 calories of pure pain. Alright guys, well hope you enjoyed that challenge. Real quick, I just want to give another thank you, a shout out to Dollar Shave Club for sponsoring not only this video, but this channel now twice. Again, for those of you new to Dollar Shave Club, it's a subscription-based service. Make great razors, great shave products, send it straight to your door. Super convenient. Check out the link in the description box below. I forgot to mention that earlier. Link will be in the description box below. dollarshaveclub.com/Matt Stoney. Check it out if you're a brand new member and sign up today using that link. You can get the limited time exclusive deal. So check out that link. Really supports this video, supports this channel. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Been looking forward to do this for a while. Haven't done Chinese takeout food in a while. So hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time.